Everyone knows that video is one of the hottest topics right now and has been for a number of years. Let's face the facts. If you're not leveraging the power of video in your online business, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. Or worse again, not generating any money at all. Here's some interesting facts from Forbes. By 2019, global consumer internet video traffic will account for 80% of all consumer internet traffic. Fact number 2, Facebook generates 8 million video views on average per day. Fact number 3, YouTube reports video mobile consumption rises 100% every year. Fact number 4, 55% of people watch video online every single day. As you can see, video is important right now, but how do you leverage the power of all these video networks? How do you create high quality, high engaging videos? What cameras do you use? What about sound, lighting, editing, and publishing? There's actually quite a lot of information you need to know and understand. Thankfully, for the last 8 years, we've been using video in our business, which helps us sell more products, helps us deliver better training to our clients, helps us engage with our audience, and of course, helps us make a massive ROI with video advertising. Video has helped my business generate over $600,000 from one network alone, selling my own products, and over $3 million since 2007. Without video, I know these numbers would never be possible. Welcome, and thank you for watching this presentation so far. My name is Kevin Faddy, and over the past few months, along with my business partner and YouTube marketing expert Mark Laxton, we've been developing the ultimate video marketing step-by-step checklist guide. Introducing I Am Checklist Volume 5. Inside I Am Checklist Volume 5, you get access to 20 checklists that I personally use to generate thousands of dollars every single week with video marketing. These checklists all come in PDF format, so you can print them off if you want. You'll also get access to online forms and mind maps you can use to get even faster results. Here's an overview of the exact checklist spreadsheets and online forms included in I Am Checklist Volume 5. You'll get the video aims checklist, video types checklist, keyword research checklist, recording equipment checklist, smartphone video checklist, prepare to record checklist, video template checklist, video monetization checklist, video editing checklist, YouTube channel checklist, YouTube video upload checklist, YouTube playlist checklist, YouTube connect and engage checklist, Facebook live video checklist. You'll also get 5 checklists showing you how to get free viral traffic from your blog, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. Why purchase product after product when you can get all the information you need right here? When you get I Am Checklist Volume 5, it's the next best thing to having a video marketing expert sit right beside you and help you create profitable and viral video campaigns that are proven to work. No more guessing, no more wondering if you got it right. You have a proven step-by-step process to success. And to make this offer even better, for a limited time, only from this page, you can get private label rights to these checklists. You can resell these checklists and keep 100% of the profit. You can give them away to your mailing list or use them to get new subscribers. Rebrand them and make them your very own. So all the hard work is done for you. Use them to create your own products. Use them as bonuses to increase conversions. Use them to create shareable content and post them on your blog and social media. The options are endless. Of course, the best part about getting these video marketing checklists right now is the highly discounted pricing. When you click the buy button below right now, you get I Am Checklist Volume 5 at a big discount. But whatever you do, do not close this page without getting your hands on this. The price is going up fast, and if you close this page and try to come back later, you run the risk of paying a lot more for access. To make getting I Am Checklist Volume 5 a total no-brainer, I'm going to give you the next 14 days to make sure this is really for you. Go through the checklists, tools, and worksheets inside our video marketing checklists, use them in your business and start crushing it with video, and then decide if this is for you. If for any reason you're not satisfied, just let me know and I'll get you a quick refund. With a guarantee like that, the only way you can lose is by letting this opportunity pass you by. Click the button below right now for instant access to I Am Checklist Volume 5, and I'll see you on the inside.
Hi, I'm Dave, and in this video, it's all just about the bonuses. I'm going to show you the bonuses that you're going to receive if you make a purchase through my link. So the first bonus is 3 logo intro videos. When you purchase through my link, you get 3 logo into videos. You just need to supply me your logo and I can go to it. Now I have 63 different logos to choose from here. So you can go down through all of these. There's quite a few, so it'll take a while, and you just pick the ones that you think will work best for your business. I'll show you a couple of them here. Here's one. I'll just show you this effect here. Maybe zoom in on it. Okay, that's pretty cool. And that could be your logo there. I'm going to show you one more. Factor. There's one that's you might like. It depends what you want. There's so many effects in here. Okay, here I'll do this one here. I'll zoom in on it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Robotic hand. Okay, so you can go through all of them, and they're all numbered, so you can just let me know once you complete the purchase. In the JV Zoo checkout area, there'll be an area, a little link, button that's for bonuses from Dave. You can just access that. My email will be in there. You can contact me through email, and then you can send me your logos, and I'll go ahead and make some. But I also have some extra bonuses for you here. Bonus number 1. I'm going to go through these kind of quick because you can go ahead and read them in more detail. There's quite a bit here. So I get 14 more additional bonuses here. 10K a month online case study. Affiliate Avalanche by Michael Cheney. Affiliate marketing, of course. Banking with bonuses. Big Commission Bootcamp by Michael Cheney again. And Bing Ads Mastery Training. That's great if you want to do pay-per-click advertising. Copy-paste paydays by Brendan Mace. And Effortless Facebook Profits. Obviously a Facebook course. And another one, Facebook Groups Traffic Formula. Another case study. And how to explode your YouTube channel. Of course, that's going to be good if you're doing any YouTube advertising. And list building on steroids. Bonus number 12, Online Money Making Toolkit 2017. It'll be just great for 2018 as well. Rapid Traffic Secrets by Michael Cheney. And last but not least, 0-Hour Workdays by Brendan Mace. Now, so again, you just have to click this button and it'll take you to the sales page. Or if you click there's another direct button right underneath the YouTube video here. That'll also do the same thing. It's my affiliate link. So that's it. You go ahead and then once you contact me, I'll make you up the logos, and you'll have access to the other bonuses as well. So thanks for watching.